Handwriting is a meaningful combination of mind and hand. You have a letter in the mind. What about the hand? Your hand needs a particular exercise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. If your hand is very comfortable moving anti-clockwise and clockwise, you will have a beautiful, smooth writing. Stretch your hand like this. This is a hand part, and try to move your hand like this, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise. Try to touch your tip of a thumb with the tip of all the other fingers. If you're a left-hander, try to do that. If you're a left-hander, anti-clockwise, clockwise. Especially with the small children, try to take a water bottle, ask them to open the lid. See, when I'm opening the lid, my hand is moving anti-clockwise. Ask them to close a lid. When they're able to open the bottle properly, they can write a letter C properly. When they're able to close the lid of a bottle, they can write capital B, capital D, small m, small n, the movements. Like this, maybe open a lock, key, open the key and lock it. Like that, any exercise which involves anti-clockwise and clockwise movements will enhance handwriting skills. They are called pre-writing skills.